Good morning, students. Already we have read the first part, so today we are going to learn the second part of the story. Second part of the story. This already I have told. This story is not from the ancient books or not from the writers, but it is the depend on speeches and the girl which she has given speeches, writings, articles. So all basing this story is coming out. Okay, this story has happened means this story was once this girl was called for an interview. Called for an interview. In the interview she was explaining all these things, what happened to her, why she has become this protest, the climate movement of protest, why she has become like this. So the girl name is Greta Thunberg. Greta Thunberg. Already I have explained about this. So before we go, I explained it. So we have some new words I tell you to write it. Resolving, deciding firmly. Resolving means deciding firmly. She was strong to do that things. Then prolonged means continuing for long time. Prolonged means continuing for long time. Heat waves means periods of excessively hot weather. Heat waves means hot weather. Immediacy means directly involved with. Immediacy means directly involved, not indirect but directly involving something. Drifted, strayed to another subject. Drifted means change to another subject. Drifted. Okay. These are the meanings you can write. There are many meanings. But these meanings you can use when you talk. Okay, so that you can write in your notebook. So now we go into the chapter. Just see the chapter. Already I have some explained about this chapter. So today we go about the summary of the chapter. So this girl was 18 years when she watching the movies, films, topics about the climate and seeing about the nature. She understands something is wrong in the nature. All are destroying, all the problems are coming. So you can see the first of the chapter, page number 81 you can see. Page number you can see. Our house is in fire. Our house is in fire. Here you can see some things what happens when the nature is not good. So there will be some problems in the nature. Some are burning the forest, some are dumping the waste in the water. So these all making the problem to the people. These all are making the problems to the people. So this girl decided what she wants to do. She is protecting to stop all these things to do in the climate. So we know already when we cut the trees what happens, soil erosion, birds will die, global warming. So many problems arise in the society. So understanding all these, she started to oppose it, or she started to stop all these things against the nature. So this girl was from the 8 years she started all these things. When the 15 years came, she became the world famous for the movement of climate, activities. Okay, for the movement climate of activities. So this teenage who is determined to fight for the climate issues and with the dedication, concentration and enthusiastic, Greta Thunberg has been her solitary protest revolved into a massive movement across the globe. And joined by millions of school children, she had helped raise awareness about the nations while continuously punishing political leaders and officials to take immediate and bold steps to address the climate related challenges. So this girl was so bold, and she told many political leaders to also be protest and stop all these things what is going on in the nature. Okay, that girl was, now she's girl is the famous one in the world. For what? She's the activity, climate activity movement, climate movement activist. She's a climate movement activist, this girl. So when she was in 15 years, she became the world famous. When she is in 15 years, she became the world famous. So her parents also supported her. Her school friends and the many schools where she come to know through her speeches, writings, articles, so interviews, so seminars. By all these things, she became a famous. At the age of 15 years, now she is a famous girl in the world. So we learned about this story. I explained all this story. This story is based on the articles, speeches and reporters. Only based on this story. This story is not another, not any things, but it is a serious matter. What is happening in the nature, to find out she started her steps. To stop all these things and to go by air. Air means walk with air. Not use much petrol, diesel. So with this also we are making the nature not clean. So she wants to stop all these things and give the good nature for the coming generations. Give good nature for the coming generations, for the cultivation, for water, everything should be pure. That is her intentions, and she is starting to develop all these things from the school itself, means from the children itself we should learn. Because the generations now, the small generation, when they learn only they will give the good for the next generation. So her intention was to teach in the schools, in the colleges, in the universities. So she was going and giving lectures. So by these they were understanding about the nature, what the problems are is going on in the nature. So now she is, mainly we call her the climate movement activist. The climate movement activist. Okay, so she is advising to everyone to give good to the coming generations, to give good nature to the coming generations. So don't destroy anything. Don't destroy anything. Anything means don't cut the trees, don't burn the forest, don't dump the waste in the water. Okay, so don't use many plastics. So from cultivation, do it. The carbon dioxide we should be destroyed by the trees. So more plants and get the good oxygen. Then we may also have the good health to do good things. That was her intention to do and to motivate the students. So dear students, by teaching this lesson, by reading you may understand many things. But this girl is clearly she is telling that we should be have the one contact with the nature. Have the contact with the nature means we are living in the nature, or we are living surrounded. We can say our nature, our climate, everything. No? So there is the problems in the climate also. What we give to the nature, what we give to the nature. So use the nature according to our needs. Don't destroy it. So I request you, tell your friends, your parents, your elders, everybody, don't dump the waste in the water. Don't cut the trees. Don't use money plastics and throw here and there. If you don't want, sell it, recycling. Don't burn the forest. So all these things she is telling us to be, some will be, the climate will be good when we reduce these all things. So she has received many awards also. Conscious Award for 2019, she has received Conscious Award. And great climate changes activities also become the subject matter of many books. So now these great climate changes activities also become a subject in the books. Collection of her speeches was published in the book No One Is Too Small to Make a Difference. The journalist Valentina Genius, we are all great, be inspired to save the world in your work. Of non-fiction for young adults that brings together a lot of scientific data to inform readers about the realities of climate changes. The Little of American author illustrates Jeanette Winter's picture book biography of the Sweden's teenager has been taken from one of her speeches, Our House is on Fire. So this name, how it came to chapter means she has given a speech, Our House is on Fire. So by taking this, they have given you, they have written this, the name of the chapter, and they have kept some pictures of her, and her biography also was here in this book. So this now is a famous girl with her activist. And so many inspired by her. So dear students, I request you to keep the climate is good for the people. So if we want to have a good climate, we should be prepared the good nature. Then only we have a good climate. Okay, this is the this is the summary of this chapter. So here you can see page number 86. Read and write answer these questions. The answer is the following reference to the context, and think and write. So these activities I will send you. You can write. Then all the activities you can write. Vocabulary and grammar exercises. Read the sentences. Here active voice and passive voice are there. So this grammar exercise page number 88, active voice and passive voice. This I will tell you in the grammar exercises. Grammar textbook there is a chapter for this. Active voice and passive voice. Okay. That time you will understand clearly. I think you understand this chapter. Only I have explained the summary. Then when you read the question and answers, you can get the some more idea about this chapter. Okay? Good, and keep and protect our nature. All the best.